In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add members or guests to your Slack workspace so you can collaborate seamlessly. Start by opening Slack on your browser or app and log into your account. Once inside, select the workspace where you want to add people. Now, look at the top left corner and click Invite People. A window will open where you can type in the email addresses of those you want to invite. Here is the key part. You can choose whether to add them as members who get full access or as guests who are restricted to specific channels. This helps you control who sees what. After making your selections, hit send. Slack will email the invitations, and once accepted, those members or guests will join your workspace instantly. And that's it. You've added new people to your Slack workspace in just a few steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.